Hello Synapse community, my name is Ryan Magitimer. I'm a product manager on the Azure Synapse Analytics team, and today is the February edition of the Synapse Monthly Update. Got a lot of exciting features for you this month. We've got some from SQL, data integration, as well as Spark. And in addition to that, we have something new and exciting for this month. That's right, we're going to do a community spotlight. One very lucky person is going to be selected from our community, and we're going to call them out and their contribution at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Also, if you're thinking to yourself, do I want to, dare I say, game the system, improve your odds perhaps at being selected for next month? Well, hashtag Synapse Influencers with an S could certainly do that. It's a very fair, unbiased selection process. We have a diverse committee of people that goes through and makes these selections. But again, hashtag Synapse Influencers with an S certainly wouldn't hurt. Wink, wink. At any rate, if you want to find the full details of this month's updates, there's a link for the full blog in the description of this video. I highly recommend you check it out. It's got detailed information, links to docs, blogs, all sorts of fun stuff like that. Today, we're going to be focusing on Spark 3.3. It's now generally available in Synapse. It means you can use it in production workloads. If you want to find more information on that, again, check out the link in the description. You can find release notes, all the improvements, and how to migrate. Now I'm going to hand it over to Estera to tell us a little bit more and for a demo. Welcome, Estera.
Azure Synapse Runtime for Apache Spark 3.3 has been in public preview since November last year. We are super excited to announce that after notable improvements in performance and stability, Azure Synapse Runtime for Apache Spark 3.3 now becomes generally available and ready for production workloads. The essential changes include features which come from upgrading. Firstly, Apache Spark to version 3.3.1 that brings an upgrade of Apache Log4j2 library that will improve security with better support for encryption and secure socket layers. Secondly, an upgrade of Delta Lake to version 2.2.0 that will improve reliability, performance, and management. And thirdly, Python to version 3.10 to improve type annotation and new syntax for easier coding. Moreover, the .NET for Apache Spark, which is an open source project under the .NET Foundation that currently require the .NET 3.1 library, has reached out of support status. We would like to inform users of the removal of .NET for Apache Spark library in the Synapse Runtime for Apache Spark 3.3. What it means? It means that users will not longer be able to utilize Apache Spark API via C# and F# or execute C# code in both notebooks as well as through Apache Spark jobs definition in Synapse. It's important to note that this change affects only 3.3 runtime and above, and will continue support .NET for Apache Spark in all previous versions of Synapse runtimes. However, we don't have plans to support .NET for Apache Spark in a future version of runtimes. What we recommend is that users can migrate their existing workloads to Python or Scala. And the last update related to runtime is about Azure Synapse Runtime for Apache Spark 2.4 and 3.1. It's related to its life cycle. So 2.4 will be deprecated by the end of September this year, and 3.1 by January 2024. Deprecation means any workloads still using these versions will stop running. So we strongly recommend to transition your workloads to version 3.2 or 3.3 that is right now generally available.
Thanks, Estera. Well, that wraps up our Know It doesn't wrap up our video for this month. We've actually come to the moment you've all been waiting for, the Community Member Spotlight. That's right. As I said before, each month we're going to be spotlighting a single member of the community, somebody that's gone above and beyond. They might be sharing content about Synapse. They might be posting how they're making best use of Synapse. This month we're spotlighting Alex Dean. Thanks for showing how you implemented row-level security in Synapse. Who will it be next month? Only time will tell. Again, my name is Ryan Magitimer. Tell us in the comments. Do you like the changes that we're making to these videos? Come on, Community Spotlight, that's got to be a winner, right? At any rate, you can find me on Twitter. You can find Synapse on Twitter, Azure_Synapse. Also, if you like social media, if you want to be part of the Member Spotlight, I've got just the program for you. The Azure Synapse Influencer Program. It's very fun, very exciting. There are badges, titles, champion, contender, challenger, 3 titles, giveaways, swag, private events. It's very fun, very easy to sign up. Takes 2 seconds. Link in the description. Couple clicks and you're there. It's always exciting. At any rate, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.